Long ago, during the time of the 6th Hung Vương, after defeating the Un invaders, the king decided it was time to choose a successor. At the beginning of spring, the king gathered all his sons and said, "Whichever son can find the most delicious and meaningful food to offer me shall become the next king." Hearing this, the princes hurried everywhere, searching for rare and tasty foods, hoping to win their father's throne. Among them was the 18th son of Hung Vương, named Liu, also called Liu. He was kind-hearted, lived a simple and honest life, and loved his parents deeply. His mother had passed away early, and without anyone to guide him, Liu felt very worried and did not know what to do. One night, Liu had a dream. A gentle god appeared and said, "My child, in heaven and earth, nothing is more precious than rice, because rice feeds and nourishes people. You should use sticky rice to make 2 kinds of cakes, one round and one square, to represent heaven and earth. Wrap the cakes with leaves and place the filling inside, to show the love and care of parents who give birth to and protect their children." Liu woke up feeling overjoyed. He followed the god's advice carefully. He chose the best sticky rice and made a square cake to represent earth. He steamed it until it was fully cooked and named it Bánh Chưng. Then he pounded sticky rice into a round cake to represent heaven and called it Bánh Dày. The green leaves wrapped around the cakes and the filling inside symbolized loving parents caring for their children. On the appointed day, all the princes brought their food offerings to the palace. Oh my! The tables were filled with delicious dishes from the mountains and the sea. Prince Liu, however, brought only Bánh Dày and Bánh Chưng. Surprised, Hung Vương asked him about these simple cakes. Liu told the king about his dream and explained the meaning behind Bánh Dày and Bánh Chưng. The king tasted the cakes, found them delicious and deeply meaningful, and praised Liu greatly. He then passed the throne to his 18th son. From that time on, every year during Tết Nguyên đán, the people make Bánh Chưng and Bánh Dày to offer to their ancestors and to heaven and earth.